Everyone dreams of success, but few talk about the struggle that comes before it. In poultry farming, many start strong and fail faster than they began. But what if I told you that the biggest failures often hold the secret to the biggest fortunes? Today, we uncover the unexpected road to riches, the true stories of poultry farmers who turned disaster into destiny. Meet Rita, a young farmer who invested everything into her first 500 birds. Within weeks, a sudden disease outbreak wiped out almost her entire flock. She was devastated. No backup funds, no insurance, no plan B. Like many beginners, Rita believed passion alone could sustain a business. But farming, especially poultry, doesn't reward emotion. It rewards systems. This was the moment she had to decide, give up or get smarter. Instead of quitting, Rita started to study every mistake, every loss. She discovered that her greatest enemy wasn't disease, but poor biosecurity. She learned to disinfect boots, control visitors, and quarantine new chicks. Within 3 months, she was back, stronger, cleaner, and more prepared than ever. And when her next batch came, mortality dropped by 70%. Her losses became lessons, and her lessons became leverage. Another farmer, Ngozi, faced a different battle, the market. Her chickens were healthy and well-fed, but she couldn't sell at good prices. Every week, prices dropped, buyers delayed payments, and her costs rose. It wasn't bad luck. It was poor positioning. She pivoted. Instead of selling live birds to random buyers, she partnered with restaurants and hotels. That single decision doubled her income and stabilized her cash flow. Lesson learned: sometimes the key to growth isn't producing more, it's selling smarter. Most farmers fail because they don't track what works. But those who rise from failure become scientists of their own success. They keep records. They measure feed conversion ratios. They test new feed brands and monitor growth. Over time, these little habits separate struggling farmers from thriving agripreneurs. Because in business, you can't improve what you don't measure. Across Africa, a new wave of poultry farmers is emerging, data-driven, tech-savvy, and purpose-led. They are not just raising birds, they are building brands. From Instagram marketing to community farm tours, these farmers have learned that visibility creates value. And that's how even small backyard farms are becoming six-figure agribusinesses. Every failure holds a seed of success, but only if you're willing to learn from it. The truth is, the richest farmers aren't those who never failed. They are the ones who fail forward. So whether you're just starting your poultry journey or still fighting through losses, remember, the road to riches is never straight. But every bend, every setback, and every mistake brings you one step closer to success.